35, 40, 50, 60, 70. There's 70 marbles. There's 35 here, 35 here. So there's 70 marbles. Oh my god, how am I doing math? Anyway, let's go. Let's go. Actually, guys, did you know anything divided by 0 is 0 except 0 divided by 0, because 0 divided by 0 is actually impossible. Because you can't divide nothing into nothing. You can't divide nothing into nothing. Because that's nothing. Where's the something? We can't see what you're talking about. Get it? Yeah. So yeah, I got to move this a little bit so they can actually fit. And this ground is where they're cheating. Yeah. Anyways, let's go for real. Yeah, I kinda. Oh yeah, surprisingly it spins by itself. I didn't even have to make it move. And trust me, it took me hours to make this. I made this at night. And, oh my god, trust me, it took me hours. Literal long hours. And I had to stay up until 4 to make this. And no one caught me. But guess what? Only today this happened. You want to know why this happened? Because I was trying to make a marble one at 1, but then I had to go to bed, but then I was a little too late to make a marble run, so then I just made it before I went to sleep. And I don't even know how I didn't get caught. Well, anyways, let's go. Alright, I'm joking. That's a fake story. Oh my god! Wow! Oh, that's so much marble. I didn't even notice. Oh no. Alright, let's just get these marbles in here instead of right here. Oh my god, I'm stuck and I'm stuck too. Oh no, there's going to be 100,000 marbles. Yeah, 18 marbles can go in here before it's fully filled. It's almost full. 16 can fit in there. I forgot that 16 can fit in there. 17, no. All right. Everyone in here will die. Everyone in here that's circling right now. Everyone in here that's circling right now will die. Yes, and I mean everyone. I'm just gonna delete this because there's already the max marbles. Alright. Get set loose! Get set loose! And alright, we're just going to delete this because we already know it's 16 marbles there. So let's not have this. Let's open it. Oh yeah, they are stuck. They cannot fit. Oh my god, they went so high. And how did they go back in perfectly? Let's just delete this because it's already glued. Whoa. What? And I'm too lazy to make more stuff, but in more stuff is going to be, in part 2, there's going to be more stuff in here. They have to, oh my god. And let's see who's the winner. Oh, our first marble in there. Oh, marbles are getting flung. Oh, you're cheating. Oh, first place marble. Oh, let's see which marble is second place. Oh my god, that marble is literally caught. And I almost blame that marble for cheating. Oh, you cheated. Second place. Let's make this a little bit harder. Yeah, that's hard. Oh no! Wait, what? No! I don't want to get hit you. Ow! 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 Oh my God! Yes, I'm third place. Oh! No, I'm not third place. This is so. Oh my God! I almost died. Yeah. I'm third place! You cheated. Wait, what? Oh my God, this blockage, there's a blockage. Let's get this blockage not blocked off anymore, okay? Get these marbles off of themselves. No. Third place. You cheated. You cheated too. All right, let's just make this spin. How is that cheating? You cheated too. There's only 2 marbles left. Which one will be the winner? Oh my God. Oh, I swear, if you cheat, you're getting back in. Oh my God, that's so hard for the marbles. I don't want to get out. I want to get in. Yes, I'm third place. Well, the wall's just gonna die, and let's kill the whole entire thing. Wait, why did I? Oh, and then let's kill everything. Numberblocks animator. Oh my God! Wait, don't loosen me. Guys, do you realize we're going to? Oh no! Oh! I don't want to die. I am one, but I don't want to die. All right, bye guys, and see you in the next video. Alright, for real though, the Numberblocks animator. Numberblocks animator!